Welcome back to another episode of Bows, Guns, Rods and Reels. Alright, so here we are back at Klerkskraal Dam. Man, I haven't been here in a couple of years. Beautiful. Today we've got our internal competition. Uncles are here, my son is here, brothers are here, 5-bag limit. Let's see what we can find. Oh, beautiful, man. First fish on. Fish on. Hey, yes, nice fish. Right, oh, bring hom vir my. Yes, woohoo. Yes.
Bows, guns, rods and reels.
Nice, beautiful fish. Right, let's take him off. Man, what a beautiful day we've had at Klerkskraal Dam. The wind is picking up a bit. We're still getting a couple of good fish. Nothing huge on the scale, but we are catching plenty, having a beautiful day out. Man, how privileged we are to be out here. Oh, fast, yeah. tot 'n spotkraal sal ek jou wys. Sal jy eers daarby dan kan jy kom maar. Yes boy! Fish on! Oh yes! Man! This is the comp winner! He's not huge but limit of 5. Man, he's gonna mean a lot for us. Well done! Mihai! Right, let's put him in. Oh, what a fish! Yes! Man, look at that beaut! Well done! Get him. Yeah. Yes! That's gonna put us in the lead for sure. Yes. Well done. Let's put him in the live well. Yes!
Well done, DeAndre.
Kyk vir my. Jy moet die lyn. Hou vas. Okay, hou so.
Pausgans, wat er weer?
Mooi. Well done. Man. First fish. Beautiful.
Our competition boat is definitely not letting us take the lead without giving a fight.
Ja.
Right, so I don't know when last any one of you guys have been to Klerkskraal Dam, but man, be careful. The dam is full of grass. Watch for your engine prop at the back. Clean the fins. Make sure it doesn't wind up. You will definitely have damage on your motor. Just something that we picked up. For some reason the grass is overgrown. That's why the fish are so difficult to catch. Yeah, so there we had to stop quickly, clean up all the grass before we could head down back into the competition. Yeah, Klerkskraal Dam is also located on the Mooi River near Ventersdorp area in the northwestern province, and mostly it is used for irrigation.
Right, so what a fantastic day we've had. Man, it's been hot, the sun burnt, but that's fishing. That's why we're out here. We love it. We caught some nice fish, nothing too huge. We're on our way back to do a weigh-in. So yeah, it was a private competition, just us family during the festive season. So yeah, let's see if we come somewhere.
.380. Spot on. Right.
Hoeveel?
432.
Alright, so that's how it went down. They beat us 4.3 kgs. As I said, today was a really difficult day. They are the winners. That's how it goes. It was really fun, just the family together having a great day. So yeah, they took it today. That is why we always come back, because it's always the one that got away. Man, what a fantastic day. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to subscribe. My name is Evan Smith. You're watching Bows, Guns, Rods and Reels. And remember, shoot straight, fish hard. Cheers.